Blackview MAX 1 still makes the list of phones drop before 2018 runs out. The smartphone was released towards the end of the month of December 2018. It comes with AMOLED screen, big battery and large RAM. There is nothing spectacular at the camera except for the fact that the front lens composition is dual. Apart from that, on the face level, the user would love this Blackview MAX 1 phone, for its resolution is high enough to give anyone a pleasurable view of videos played on the screen. No wonder it has often been referred to as the projector phone. Blackview MAX 1 comes in metal body design with built-in projector. Dimensions are 165 x 81.8 x 18.7 and it comes in just two colors, black and blue. Moreover, this phone is a water-resistant device. Blackview MAX 1 has fingerprint sensor, and it has face recognition technology that is inbuilt.